Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your Oppo model and color OS version so you know what options appear. Once done, unlock your phone and make sure battery is at least 20%. This avoids interruptions. Now open Settings and tap Display. You want the screen resolution or display size entry. You do this because different color OS builds hide resolution controls. Locating the correct menu is the essential first action that lets you change scaling and pixel rendering safely. You tap resolution or display size and observe the slider or preset choices. Preview each option to see text and icon changes. Make adjustments slowly because higher resolution increases GPU load and battery use, while lower resolution extends battery life. Once you pick a level, confirm the change. Many apps will briefly reload or reflow layout, which is normal. If an option is grayed out, make sure developer options or adaptive display settings are not enforcing a mode first. You finish by restarting the phone to ensure the new resolution is fully applied and any rendering glitches clear. If visuals remain distorted, reset display settings or clear cache for the apps showing problems. This resolves many conflicts. Make sure to test in safe mode to rule out third-party apps causing layout issues. If all else fails, a display settings reset or factory reset is last resort. But try the reboot and cache clear first. They fix the majority of problems quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.